today I'm with Macbook and also AirPods Max, and I will show you how you can connect these two devices. So, and first we have to focus on the right headphone, and on this headphone we will find two buttons right here in this place. So you have to click and hold this button for a few seconds until this indicator at the bottom right here start blinking on the white. It means that right now they are in the pairing mode. So we can smoothly put them back and move to our MacBook. We have to enter for the Bluetooth settings right here. You have to turn on the Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher and go for the Bluetooth preferences. Okay, for some reason they are here already connected, but I'm gonna remove them, don't worry. Right now I'm gonna turn off and turn on Bluetooth one more time. And right now we have to take a look on the available devices list until they just simply pops right here. You have to just remember about this pairing mode. So you have to take a look on this indicator at the bottom. I'm talking about, of course, let me just show you right here about this indicator. So just be patient, and for sure they will be popped right here. And as you can see, here they are. So just click to connect. And as you can see right now we are connected. We can enable Hey Siri on them. Let's make it. And right now we are connected. But you have to remember about one thing also. So you have to go for the main settings right here. And then you have to go for the sound. And when you're in this place, you have to remember to switch from your internal speaker to the to the AirPods Max hard reset. And right now you'll get all sounds going through your AirPods Max. So basically that's how you can connect them to your MacBook. At the first you have to turn them on, move to the pairing mode, and then just simply enable Bluetooth on the MacBook and accept them on the pairing available devices list. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.